Disassemble the pneumatic tensile grips. Install the upper and lower ends of the winding grips to the connecting parts of the testing machine and fix them with bolts. Install one end of the specimen on two grips and lock it. Rub the sample on the winding component to ensure that the sample is tightly wound on it. Then rub the other end of the sample to the lower winding component and tighten it with wedge lock. After the specimen is installed, ensure that the specimen is not loose on the fixture. Open the test software and set the test parameters according to the test requirements and standards. Once ready, click the Start button to start the test program and start applying tension of the sample for tensile test. At the end of the test, remove the sample to check. After confirming that the test is correct, generate and print the test report.